for the first night that we met. Together we've been happy, very few regrets. Ordinary problem has not been hard to face. Slightly little changes has been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do, but I could rearrange my life because it pleases you. You got to love me for what I am, simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I would be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not enough. So let me go.
Wala na, sira na.
I must
Wala